In this video, we are going to show you how to view ICSee cameras on your computer without using any Android emulators. We will be using the official ICSee software for this setup. We previously recorded a guide on this topic, but today we are bringing you an updated version to solve the most common connection issues. If you had trouble before or your camera shows as offline, this video is exactly what you need to watch until the end. The first step is to download the official ICSee software, often called VMS. You can find it by searching for ICSee on Google, but to make it easier for you, we have placed the updated download link in the video description and the pinned comment below. Once you are on the website, select the computer version. There are installers for both Windows and Mac. For this tutorial, we are using Windows, but the steps are almost identical for Apple users. After the download finishes, extract the file. A pro tip for your security: we always recommend running a quick scan on VirusTotal to ensure the file is 100% safe. Ours is verified, so let's proceed with the installation. Run the installer and follow the prompts by clicking Next and agreeing to the terms. Once finished, make sure the Run VMS box is checked and click Finish. When the login window appears, use the default credentials. The username is admin and the password is also admin. Don't forget to check the Remember Password box to save time in the future, then click Sign In. When the program opens, a window might appear offering to add devices automatically. While that is easy, we want to show you the manual method so you can access your cameras from anywhere in the world. To follow along, check the boxes for Add Devices manually and Do Not Show next time, then click OK to proceed. If you don't see this specific window, simply click on the Home button and then select Device Manager. There are two main ways to add a camera: using the IP address or the Cloud ID, which is also known as the P2P serial number. The IP method usually only works when you are on the same Wi-Fi network, but the P2P method allows for full remote viewing from any location. Today, we are focusing on the P2P Cloud access. There are two possibilities at this stage. Your camera information might appear automatically in the list, or the list might be completely empty. We are going to show you how to proceed in both cases, so don't worry if you don't see anything yet. If your camera appears in the list automatically, simply select it and click Select Add. However, it might show as unreachable at first, so you will need to click the Edit button. In this window, you can first set a custom device name for your camera. Next, you must change the login type to Cloud ID. Finally, enter your camera's username and password. If you don't know your camera's login credentials yet, stay tuned, as we're going to show you exactly how to get that information in just a moment. Once you have filled everything in, click OK to save your settings. On the other hand, if your camera information is not being displayed at all, you must add it manually by clicking the Cloud Add button. In this section, you should first give your camera a name. You will also need the camera serial number, the username, and the password. You can get all of this information directly from the mobile app. Open the ICSee app on your smartphone, tap the settings icon for your camera, and select About Device. Now, a very important note. To get these details, your camera must already be set up and working on your mobile app. If you haven't configured the app yet, don't worry. We have a complete step-by-step video showing you exactly how to set up the mobile access. We are leaving the link for that video in the description in the pinned comment, and it will also appear on the end screen of this video. So if you need to set up the app first, go watch that, and then come back here. Once you are in the About Device menu, you'll find the serial number, the username, and the password. To see the hidden details, simply tap the Display button. If the password is not shown and you don't remember it, you can use the Restore Defaults button to reset your camera settings and set it up again. This will allow you to create a brand new password. Note that the serial number is usually hidden for security, but you can tap the Copy button to capture it. Then, just paste it into a document to see the full code, or email it to yourself so you can access it from your computer. Once you have the serial, copy and paste it into the Cloud ID field in the VMS software. Finally, enter your username and password, and click OK to save everything. Your camera status should now show as online. To see the live feed, go back to the home screen and click Monitor. Right-click your camera and choose Extra Stream for a faster connection. You can double-click the image to go full screen. In future videos, we will explore advanced VMS features and recording settings. If this was helpful, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. If you run into any trouble, leave a comment or contact our free technical support via WhatsApp. All we ask in return is your subscription to help us keep this service running. God bless you, and we will see you in the next video.